Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Christmas lei is probably one of the most festive and versatile accessories you can add to your holiday wardrobe, instantly transforming any outfit into a celebration of the season. Whether you're attending a lively office party, a cozy family gathering, or simply want to spread some cheer throughout your day, a well-chosen Christmas lei offers a unique and eye-catching way to express your holiday spirit. These vibrant adornments are designed to capture the essence of Christmas, often featuring traditional colors like red, green, and gold, along with charming motifs such as snowflakes, holly, and miniature ornaments, making them a delightful addition to any festive occasion. Number 5. PHOGARY Hula Skirt Costume Kit. Get ready to hula. This costume kit brings the spirit of Hawaii right to your party. Perfect for any luau or tropical celebration. Everything you need for an authentic Hawaiian experience is included. It's the ultimate accessory for your next island-themed event. Embrace the tradition with a beautiful hula skirt and a vibrant flower bikini top. You'll feel like you're on the beaches of Hawaii. Make your next party unforgettable with this fun and festive costume kit. It's sure to get everyone in the mood to dance and celebrate. Complete your look with the included Hawaiian lei. It's the perfect finishing touch for your luau ensemble. Designed specifically for Hawaii luau parties, this kit guarantees a fantastic time. Get ready for a night of tropical fun and dancing. What we like? This is a fantastic all-in-one package for your next luau. It comes with everything you need to get into the Hawaiian spirit. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to dress up for a party, this is the perfect choice. What people say? The lei is beautiful and well-made, perfect for a luau. The colors are vibrant and the flowers are realistic. It really adds to the festive atmosphere. It's lightweight and comfortable to wear for extended periods. Number 4. Little Feather Hawaiian Flower Leis. Bring the spirit of aloha to any occasion with these vibrant flower leis. Perfect for parties and celebrations, they add a touch of tropical flair. Transform your event into a Hawaiian luau with these beautiful necklaces. They are a fun and festive addition to any gathering. Looking for unique party favors? These leis are a fantastic choice for guests of all ages. They're sure to be a hit. Don't forget these for your Christmas party. They offer a fun and unexpected way to add some cheer and color to your holiday festivities. This pack includes 12 leis, ensuring you have enough for everyone. Share the joy and color with this convenient bulk set. Adorned with striking red and white flowers, these leis are visually appealing. Their bright colors create a festive and welcoming atmosphere. What we like? You get a generous quantity of leis in this pack, perfect for larger gatherings. The bright red and white colors are festive and eye-catching. If you need to provide party favors for many guests, especially for a Christmas or holiday event, this is an excellent value. What people say? The lei is beautiful and vibrant, perfect for a luau. The flowers are made of silk and look very realistic. The lei is lightweight and comfortable to wear. Number 3. CISMARK Hawaiian Luau Flower Lei Set. Bring the spirit of aloha to your next event with this vibrant Hawaiian luau set. It's perfect for adding a touch of tropical flair to any celebration. These leis are jumbo-sized, making a bold statement wherever you go. Get ready to stand out and spread the festive cheer. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for a complete luau look. It features necklaces, bracelets, and headbands for a coordinated style. Whether it's a birthday party, a beach gathering, or a themed event, these accessories are sure to impress. They add fun and color to any occasion. Crafted with quality materials, these leis are designed to last throughout your festivities. Enjoy their beauty and vibrancy without worry. Simply wear them and let the good times roll. They are comfortable and easy to put on, allowing you to focus on enjoying your event. What we like? This set offers a variety of accessories beyond just necklaces, including bracelets and a headband. The jumbo size ensures they make a statement. If you want a coordinated look with multiple matching accessories, this is the ideal option for a complete Hawaiian ensemble. What people say? The lei is beautiful and vibrant, perfect for a luau. The flowers are large and realistic, making the lei look very authentic. The lei is well made and durable, holding up well throughout the event. Number 2. Red Flower Crown Headband with LED lights. Get ready to shine at your next festival. This headband is designed to make you stand out in the crowd. Adorned with beautiful red flowers, this accessory adds a pop of color to any outfit. Featuring bright red LED lights, it creates a magical and festive ambience. Designed for comfort, it stays securely in place all day and night. It's the ideal accessory for festivals, parties, or any special celebration. Let its enchanting glow illuminate your night and capture everyone's attention. What we like? Add a dazzling touch to your outfit with these LED-lit headbands. They provide a unique and festive glow, perfect for evening events. If you want to stand out and add a bit of sparkle to your Christmas or festival attire, this is the accessory you need. What people say. The lei is made of high-quality silk flowers that look very realistic. The flowers are large and vibrant, making a bold statement. The lei is lightweight and comfortable to wear for extended periods. Number 1. Rubies Hawaiian Lace Silk Flower Wristlets. Bring the spirit of the islands to any occasion with this beautiful set. Perfect for luau parties or adding a touch of paradise to your everyday style. Crafted with vibrant, high-quality silk flowers, these wristlets offer a realistic and elegant look. They are designed to add a pop of color and charm to your outfit. Each wristlet is designed for a comfortable and secure fit, ensuring they stay in place all day long. Enjoy effortless wearability and stunning aesthetics. Whether it's a themed party, a wedding, or just a fun get-together, these accessories are sure to impress. They add a festive and exotic flair to your look. This convenient set includes 2 matching wristlets, allowing you to share the tropical beauty or wear them on both wrists. Get ready to embrace the lei life. What we like? Crafted from silk, these offer a more refined and elegant feel. The wristlet design is a stylish alternative to traditional leis. If you prefer a sophisticated accessory that complements your outfit subtly, these are a great choice for a touch of tropical charm. What people say. The lei is very beautiful and the flowers are large and vibrant. The lei is well made and durable, and it looks great with my costume. The lei is lightweight and comfortable to wear, and it stays in place well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.